Hello and welcome to Whiteland Restorations.
We have had such a busy time lately, you would not believe.
Yeah, it's been a bit mental.
Mental, that's
so
putting it lightly.
That's why there's been no video. We've had no time to record.
We have been inundated with work. Of course, you've got to pay the bills, so we've got to do the work. And Monica has been a bit of a rascal last week and this week.
You'll find out on the weekend.
Yeah.
On the weekend, we've had some starting issues.
Oh, we had some starting issues.
We have got to the bottom of it with
Hopefully.
a friendly visit from our local special classic car mechanic.
Tim from Cambrian Classics popped over and had a look and diagnosed.
He confirmed one of my things. Let's not go into it too much.
Save the surprise for Sunday.
You have to watch on the weekend. We can show you a couple of bits though on the car.
We have done a few bits. We have a look.
Yeah, let's have a look.
Look what we have been doing.
So one thing we have been doing is I've been trying to button up all the little bits and pieces inside the car. It's been really hard to film it. So and I've been doing it in like 20 minutes at the end of every day, just like, I'll grab the Volvo and I'll just do a bit of wiring.
Whenever you can grab a bit of time, you've been putting a bit of the interior together.
Interior, so yeah, let's come and have a look.
Okay, down here, ignore this area here, that is a pain in the butt, not saying anything else. Right, so interior-wise, oh my God, look at all this.
Don't look actually.
What's going on? Oh my goodness,
that's got to go somewhere, isn't it?
It has got to go somewhere. Anyway,
look
at these beautiful door cards. Aren't they gorgeous? These are the ones we've got from Sledge in Volvo. They've been cleaned, fixed up and put back together. Look at those lovely door pockets. Not a single crack. Thank you very much. But that is beautiful. I really love it. It looks really good.
Yeah, that one's on and beautiful. And there was a reason I didn't do the driver's side one.
Yeah, driver's side one hasn't been done yet.
Because if you recall, Monica had replacement doors, and you should never assume stuff, should you?
No, Lewis, what should you never assume?
You should never assume anything. Well, I assumed that the new door had all the bits of trim clips and stuff in it already.
You also assumed that we had finished with those doors and you sent them to the scrap man,
So the old doors went to the scrap man and the new doors are missing some trim clips. So the door card didn't go on.
Exactly, but we have the replacement clips. Luckily, everyth's so ezy to get.
You'd think I would have put this door card on next, no,
that one's not on.
I did the other side.
We got some more stuff just been thrown in the back.
Stuff's got to go somewhere.
It has got to go somewhere, but let me go in, let me see. The other door card is in. Look at that little sneak peek there for you. It is looking beautiful. Got some nice insulation behind here as well. Don't know if you can hear that. It's going to be so nice and quiet.
Yeah, we used the 6mm. I know it's a bit chunky. The 6mm stuff that I was sent by mistake
for the underlay. Yeah,
the stuff that was supposed to be 15.
But we're kind of using it as a combination barrier, stroke insulation, stroke use what we've got and not spend any more money.
It's an extremely tight fit. I had to trim the ends down quite a lot to get the door cards on. But I did go in and everything is on and screwed in and clipped on.
Yeah, and speakers are in as well.
And back out
speakers. So that is good. Oh, can I show them what else you've done?
Yes.
Right, look at this. I don't know if you can see this. Move this bundle of wires out the way. But that's illuminated, and if I click it up and flick it on, let's go and have a look at the front of the car. Da-da-da! Check that out! Ooh! Yeah, independent switch for the halos.
Independent switch for the day runners, because well, that way, if we're at a show or whatever and want to leave them on all day long so it looks cool at the show, we can do that.
It is. It's a lot easier than having to worry about having the lights on the car all the time.
Plus, we are going to give them a thorough test. We're going to leave them on all day long here in the workshop, and then check the battery and make sure we don't run out of battery.
Let me just show the party trick. If I get my phone, hold on.
They all know the party tricks.
Do they know the party trick? Have we shown them the party trick? Right. If I get my phone, if you see this app, and I click this, and click this, you can change the colour of the lights to anything you want.
I quite like red and I quite like green.
I like the red, I like the green.
I also like
Hold on.
just plain white.
Just plain white.
Smoky
Perfect
white,
for
looks
driving
really
along
nice.
with. But do you know what else I like? This one. If you click this one and party mode. Oh my god! How cool is that?
Maximum volume as
It
well.
is so funny. It is maximum volume. But you can play around with this and have different colours going through and all sorts of stuff it does. But I like just standard light. Let's go back to green.
Party mode, hypno mode.
Hypnotoad mode.
Hypnotoad mode, yeah.
Yes, so that has gone all right. That is our shopping to fix the car this weekend. Get it running, isn't it, mister? It is going to run this weekend. I've got a good feeling.
I'm very confident in that. Two problems with the car means it won't start, so...
Look, good telling me any details.
Yeah.
We're going to sort it on Sunday.
Right, so... And there's another door card on the back. Just go and check the back door over there. Go and have a look at that quickly.
Let's have a look. Look at this lovely door card. Oh, yeah, look at that. Speakers are in. Door card's on. Insulating is in. Oh, it's going to be good. Can't wait to drive this thing. Let me close the door. Hear that Volvo sound? Oh, it's like, you know that's shut. You know that's shut. Right, let's see what else. You don't need to push that anymore now. There's no baby in it.
Yeah, baby's gone. Baby's gone.
Oh, yeah, right. So what else have we been working on? Oh, the baby's touched the screen. So what else have we been working on?
Sorry, I'm laughing because of you're holding a baby and the baby wants a camera.
The baby wants the camera.
Yeah, she wants the camera. Right, so over the past couple of weeks we have painted a chunk of lorry bits and bobs.
But they are very nice. Look at that. Lovely shade of blue that is.
Yeah.
A little panel there as well.
Waiting to be picked up.
Waiting to be picked up?
Waiting to be picked up. We've painted a very large Citroen van from a friend.
Yeah, Citroen Relay. Huge.
Citroen huge thing.
Wouldn't
I didn't paint the whole thing, just repairs, bits and bobs.
Insert pictures here.
There's your disclaimer when it's matte tomorrow.
Yeah. I do.
The most beautiful X5.
Oh yeah, lovely X5 came in for a bit of polishing here and there. And don't wash your cars with a brush.
No, don't use public car washes, people.
No, bad idea.
Bad idea.
Especially if you love your car. Use nice stuff at home.
Yes.
Behind you
Dun, dun, dun.
is my current job for this week. Well, not the whole week,
Not
just
the whole,
for a
just
day or
starting
two.
the week.
If you squeeze through, I haven't parked it in properly, but as you can see, I am.
Doing some
I'm done.
repairs.
I'm basically done with the repairs. I am scotched down for some primer work.
Ready for the first stage, hey?
Big dent, basketball hoop on there, and this has happened within the first week of owning the car.
Oh,
Basketball
burst,
hoop down there, and wind in Aberraron over opened the door.
It has been
First week.
terrible weather, hasn't it?
First week.
First week of ownership, so we're putting that right.
Yeah, we're just going to make that nice again. Terribly weak door hinges on these things.
Is it really?
Yeah,
Mm.
yeah, just moved it right out of place, it did.
So that's going to be getting painted, primed tonight, painted tomorrow, finished, and then bye-bye van.
Bye-bye van, yeah. The caddy tailgate has had some work done to it.
Oh, let's come around here. Oh wow, that's looking very nice.
It's because it was quite bad
It was.
when Owen brought it around. It was flat as a pancake. Not the mechanisms didn't even work.
Yeah, it had been
That's how flat it was. So I had to cut it in half, open it out, and press everything back to the way it should have been. And it's not perfect. There's still a slight swoopage with the lettering,
Yeah.
but around the outside's nice.
But this is why you do
And
the priming in black with the epoxy. Then you can go
Yeah.
over it again and see, can't
this
you?
because it was quite so bad. I decided it needed a double prime. So there's this initial prime, and then it will have another one. And that's the back, just so you can see the back.
There we go. The white marks. Are
And
just
all of
dust.
this, all of this will be rapted because the bed of his lovely little caddy is rapted as well.
It's a lovely colour as well. I'm looking forward to showing you that on the channel. It's a really nice,
It's a nice little caddy, yeah.
Right. Anyway, right. So Monica is so close to being finished.
Yeah, Monica is super close to being finished. we've got a few episodes to go. There's getting it blooming back on running again.
Yeah, got to torque up all the undercarriage, get it all
Yeah.
lined up nice, get the prop angle.
Properly,
Properly.
doing it properly, getting
Yeah.
the prop angle right, getting the sway bar, getting the anti-roll bars back on, getting the panhard rods properly done.
Yeah,
All of that stuff.
all of that stuff. We should
Oil in the diff, change the gearbox. Oh, I'll do that with the service, can't we?
Oh, yeah, we've got
Anyway,
get the wheels done. We've got to get the wheels done.
and then we've got a big really good episode.
Yeah.
Huge, really good episode. I'm
And
looking forward to
then
doing that.
it's almost MOT time. I can't believe it. I'm so
Yeah,
excited.
time, but I think the reason Monica is not want to start is doesn't want to go out in the cold.
It's still snowing. Can you believe it, guys? The gritters are still out. I think it's like that episode of Thomas the Tank Engine when Henry didn't want to leave the tunnel. She doesn't want to leave the workshop.
Well, you're the Thomas fan.
Hey, Thomas is good. Right, so thank you very much for watching, guys. We will be back with a super duper episode at the weekend. It's a huge thank you to all our patrons, new patrons as well.
Yeah, new Patreon.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Your support means the world to us. Thank you so
Really
much.
does. And to people who sent us just a quick PayPal donation for a cup of coffee. That's really kind of
that was
them.
so
That's
lovely,
So nice
yeah.
of you. Thank you very, very much.
Amazing.
Much appreciated.
Hot drinks always appreciated.
Oh, yes,
Ooh,
it
yes.
is. Yes.
Even if you just subscribe, that's a huge help to us. Click that subscribe button,
Yeah.
hit that bell, get notifications, and give us a comment in the box. See what
Definitely
do
comment.
you think about everything that's going on? What's your favourite project that Lewis has been working on this week? X5.
Who's your favourite astronaut?
You didn't even know that many astronauts.
No, I don't.
Right. See you later, guys. Bye.
All right. Ciao.
Ciao.
I'm telling you, mine's Buzz Lightyear.